back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. We're starting off strong, being up close and personal, and me being barefaced because today I just wanted to sit down with you and get ready with you guys to go absolutely nowhere. I'm not late for getting anywhere. I just wanted to sit down and chill with you guys and talk to you guys because I feel like it's been a while, it's been a hot minute since I've just, chilled again with you guys, just had a chat, just raw, random, unfiltered, and all of that. So that's what we're going to be doing. Beach Beach, I will be talking in English as well. So let me know if that's not your vibe because I know a lot of people are more comfortable in English, but a lot of people are also comfortable in English. Now, personally, on a day-to-day basis, मैं ज़्यादा English में ही बात करती हूँ. Of course, there are places and just people जिनसे मैं English में बात करती हूँ, but mostly around my house and everywhere, I am a English sort of a person. So yeah, with that being said, I also have to quickly say that this is not a makeup tutorial. Again, I see your comments. I know you guys are missing makeup tutorials, but we will be talking more about that in a bit, why they're not here and all of that, because I love makeup, okay? I don't think a secret bhi hai that I love makeup, but I love makeup. But I'm going to talk more about makeup tutorials, what's happening and all of that. So sab kuch hoga. Again, as I said, this is not a makeup tutorial, so I'm not going to be talking through what products I'm using. Like, of course, I can just mention something if I like it too much and I need to like tell you about it or something. But if you want to know what I'm using, everything will be mentioned in the description box. You can open that up, you can check out whatever I'm using. So yeah, with that being said, actually I'm going to start off with one of the biggest things that I want to share with you guys, and that is that I have bought a house, I've bought a home. And if you don't follow me on Insta, then you won't know this because I did announce it on Instagram. I don't know how to announce things on YouTube which are not like a shorts based thing, and बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो मैं शॉर्ट्स पे नहीं कर रही हूँ अभी भी, एंड इवन ऑन लाइक रील्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So yeah, I did buy a house, but I don't know if it's going to be like a home thing. I did buy it primarily to make a studio as a workspace and not as like, oh, I'm moving out and I want to stay alone and all of that, because that's not something I'm aiming for. That's honestly not something I'm aiming for. I remember bahut saal pehle, like years ago, I was just having like this random story chat session over on Instagram, and I think this was probably during lockdown because tab main har din raat ko, I used to have these midnight chat sessions. Lockdown times were crazy, okay? Lockdown times were crazy. Also, quick little PSA, I have glitter all over my face, so you might see glitter kahin 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 kahin, because 72 million years ago, around the ice age, I decided to put on glitter on my face and it's still there. And no matter what you do, okay, you can do the tape method, you can do oils, balms, whatever you do, glitter remains. So I have accepted that part of my life because I love glitter. So it's not like I'm gonna give up on glitter. I'm just gonna like have glitter on my face all day, all night, every time. So that is something I have accepted. Anyway, coming back to बहुत साल पहले being lockdown का time, which feels like बहुत साल पहले, it feels like a different lifetime altogether. But yeah, a long time ago, I was having this chat session over on my stories where I said that, a lot of people are kind of like misunderstanding the fact that staying alone, like moving out, does not mean being independent. Of course, there are a lot of things that you will have to do and everything. Let me just break it down, okay? And nothing is right or wrong. These are just my opinions. You can have different opinions, and that's fine. Everyone can have their own opinion. That is literally why we have our brains, okay? You don't need to like rely on my opinions or rely on anyone's opinions for that matter, okay? So what I mean by that is there are so many people who will move out but still ask their parents for rent or for help around the house and everything. And while there's nothing wrong with that, I don't know what the situation the other person is in. So of course they can be going through certain things and that's why they like need help or anything. So I'm not saying there's anything wrong. I'm just saying that being dependent and staying with your parents are not correlated. You can stay in your own home and like with your parents, I mean, and still be, contributing to the household or taking care of your parents and being independent and all of that. So yeah, this whole idea that, oh, if you're staying with your parents, you're dependent on them, or if you move out only then can you become independent, is something that I don't agree with. And again, I don't intend to like move out in the sense that mujhe akele rehna hai and I need my freedom and this and that. No, that's not why I've gotten a place. I've genuinely gotten it for like, having a place to work out of. That is my whole idea with that. I will have like a photo somewhere here to show you guys the photo that I did post on Instagram. It's a beautiful, beautiful place. I am genuinely in love with it. Otherwise, koi bhi yaar nahi leta hai if they're not in love with it. Because honestly, today's economy and buying homes in today's economy, yikes! याइक्स! आई डोंट नो कि हमारे नाना दादाओं ने क्या कहते हैं उस टाइम पे ज़मीनें इतनी सस्ती में क्यों बेची, बिकॉज़ अगर वो ऐसा नहीं करते तो हमें आज इतने संघर्ष करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। बट एनीवे, एज़ आई वाज़ सेइंग, इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी एंड यू एक्चुअली कैन सी कुतुब मीनार फ्रॉम इट, व्हिच इज़ वन ऑफ आई वोंट से माय ड्रीम, क्योंकि देखो हर चीज़ ड्रीम नहीं हो सकती। मैंने कभी ये ड्रीम नहीं किया था कि मेरे को कुतुब मीनार से दिखने वाला घर चाहिए। हाँ, व्हाट आई डिड ड्रीम ऑफ वाज़ दैट आई वांटेड अ balcony home because I have always stayed on like a ground floor. Like I've always stayed in one home all my life till now, like 29 years of my life, almost 30 years of my life. I've only been in one home. I've never shifted homes. I've never, like had anything crazy when it comes to like, changing places or anything. So I've been very stable, very put and all of that. So I live on the ground floor. So वही होता है ना कि जो चीज़ नहीं होती है वही चाहिए होती है. So that was the case with me as well. I have a beautiful garden at my place, but I was always like, यार balcony होती तो मज़ा आता. And I've always wanted a balcony, so I knew that I wanted to like have that kind of a thing going on. And I have a beautiful balcony, you guys. That balcony is so gorgeous, and I already have like 1,000 ideas with what I want to do with the balcony and everything. Even though if I'm like looking at it from a workspace perspective, I'll still decorate, right? I still will go out and like do things to the place and all of that. So yeah, as I was saying, it has a beautiful balcony and it looks at Qutub Minar, and I love history. I love monuments. I just love it. I love it so much. So yeah, Qutub Minar wasn't a dream. Balcony was a dream. Qutub Minar is just something that I liked ever since I was a kid. Funny story that nobody needs to know about me. As a kid, मैं कुतुब मीनार को कुतुर मीनार कहती थी. Like in my brain, I just couldn't like, how people like as kids जलेबी को जलबली बोल देंगे or something of the other. मैं कुतुब मीनार को कुतुर मीनार कहती थी because I have been going near Qutub Minar ever since I was a kid, because we have Dada Badi over there, which is like a mandir of sorts for Jainis, like a type of Jaini. So Dada Badi is that, and when you go to Dada Badi, you see Qutub Minar. So I have gone there ever since I was a kid, and I love going there. So I used to see Qutub Minar or Kutur Minar, as I said as a kid, ever since I was a kid. क्या बोला मैंने अभी? I don't know what I just said, but yeah. So I've been seeing Qutub Minar ever since I was a kid. I just never thought I will be living just next to it and having a view of it from my balcony, and such a beautiful view at it. So yeah, that's that. I bought a house or a studio space. Like I don't know what to call it. What should I call it? Like I don't know. Like I don't want to give it some weird ass name and be like SJ's Paradise or anything. I don't want to do that. I'm just saying कि मैं उसको बुलाऊं क्या, क्योंकि वो अभी तो घर नहीं है. It's not a घर. It is just going to be a place where I'll be working from. I have not shifted yet. I think I'll be doing that post Diwali, because Diwali is generally a very, 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 very crazy time for me. क्योंकि there's just a lot happening content wise. There's Divalog that I need to think of. I've still not started planning Divalog, and it's giving me anxiety. Okay, I'm a very, very anxious person. If there is one thing you need to know about me, is that I get stressed, and when I get stressed, a lot of things can happen. Either I'll binge on sweets, like I'll go hard out on sweets, and when I say sweets, I mean sweets, like I will eat my heart out. I'll eat my body weight in sweets. इतना मुझे मीठे का क्रेज हो जाता है जब मैं stressed out होती हूँ. Either I'll do that, or I'll literally have issues in breathing where I'm like, I'm so stressed, I'm so stressed, I'm so stressed. I'm a very anxious and stressed person overall. And not planning things, that stresses me out even more. It stresses me out because I like to have control of things. I'm not saying I'm a control freak, because I don't think I'm a control freak. I hope at least I'm not a control freak. But I just like to know the general direction in which my day, my week, my month, my year, my life is going to go. And when I don't know that, I get stressed and I just keep on overthinking and overthinking and overthinking. और फिर वही होता है ना कि एक चीज़ से दूसरी चीज़, दूसरी से तीसरी, and then you just, it's this never ending vicious cycle that you fall into. That is me. Hello. Nice to meet you. But yeah, so I still not started planning Divalog ka content. Divalog, I've actually still not started planning Navratri ka content. And the thing is that I love Navratri content, okay? I love to talk about Indian history and, religious stuff and all of that. I love to talk about it. I don't think that's a secret. I've been doing that literally since I was like a kid, a child. So I love to do that. And I'm not ashamed of it at all. I know a lot of people are like, oh, why would you want to talk about that? I love to talk about that. So I'm very interested and intrigued in that, because there's so many things that when you think of why certain cultures and certain practices and certain things evolved, you get to see how scientific things were. When you talk about like the Indian subcontinent, itna scientific. When you even consider like Jainism, you consider so many practices in like Sanatan Dharam, they're so scientific, and I love to read about them. Like I love to learn newer things. So whenever I read about something and it just like interests me, I'll read more upon it. And अगर कुछ ऐसा concept मुझे मिल जाता है that ties into my Navratri series, I to go crazy. And I've not done that till now. And another thing is that a lot of people now have started relating me to Navratri content. So I feel that added pressure wherein like I have to do great Navratri content. Otherwise, everyone's gonna be like, oh, you didn't do Navratri content this year? Who are you even? We don't even know you. We don't remember you. So, yeah, I'm a little stressed because of that, because I don't wanna let anyone down. Like, I really genuinely just don't want to let anyone down. Yeah, you can call it people pleasing, you can call it whatever, but I feel like आजकल का ना सबसे बड़ा इशू ये हो गया है कि एवरीवन थिंक्स दैट एवरीवन एल्स इज टॉक्सिक एंड यू आर द ओनली राइट पर्सन. एक तो टॉक्सिक इतना ओवर यूज्ड वर्ड हो गया है ना. Whenever I open social media, everyone is like, this is toxic, he is toxic, she is toxic, don't talk to him, don't talk to them, you owe no one anything. And I feel like, no, there are certain people in your life that you owe things to. Like, you need to explain things to them, and there's nothing wrong with that. That is what interpersonal connections are. That is why humans are social animals and not just animals, because it's just animals who have no explaining to do. I mean, बिल्ली अपने बच्चों को मार सकती है and it doesn't have to explain to the बिलौटा कि उसने बच्चों को क्यों मारा, right? But that's not how humans are. So yeah, when people say stuff like that, I'm just like, oh my god, we've come to that place where we're like, if someone even calls you out or tells you that something that you've done is not right, they'll be like, you're toxic, so I'm not gonna talk to you. That's not toxicity. I feel like when you have friends who can like keep you grounded, keep your head down, like in the sense like tell you when you're wrong and tell you what you are doing is not right, that is like the biggest blessing. Like friends, family who can tell that to you without being like yes men, that is like the biggest blessing, and that is something you need. So my point originally was कि हाँ, even if you call me like a people pleaser, ठीक है यार, ठीक है so I need to know. So like a lot of people like, oh my god, she's such a people pleaser. हाँ तो the point is, क्या हो गया? अगर हूँ भी तो क्या? Am I asking something from you? Am I asking you to do something that would make me look good in front of people? I'm not. I'm really not. So even if I am people pleaser, it is literally me against me, na. So how is it affecting you? How? It's not. And I feel like people should be okay with someone else having a flaw, because हम सब में flaws है यार, किस में नहीं है. कोई people pleaser है, कोई honestly toxic है, कोई मतलब सब में overthinker है. And it's okay to have certain flaws. Like, I don't know what is this obsession with being this perfect human being and all of that. Nahi yaar, it's okay. Like, for the longest time, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try and not be a people pleaser. I'm gonna try and not have like control of my life. I'm gonna try and do this. I'm gonna try and do that. And you know what ends up happening is that you start losing yourself. And I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but even on YouTube, I felt like for the past couple of years that I had lost myself and lost like what I used to do and what I love to do. Like I feel like I was so much more creative job. I didn't give two shits about what people think about me. And honestly, like not, again, it's very tricky because it's like in one end I am a people pleaser, and on the other end I also am that sort of person who'll be like, अच्छा तो, in the sense, क्या समझाऊं मैं, this kind of weird, and I don't want to sound like, oh, look at me, this person, because it's not the case. I hate it when people are like, oh, she keeps on talking about herself, she must be so narcissistic. Again, एक थेरेपी का सेशन लेके 4 थेरेपी वाले वर्ड सीख के यू कांट जस्ट कीप ऑन थ्रोइंग दैट अपॉन द इंटरनेट. गैस लाइटिंग, टॉक्सिक, नार्सिसिस्टिक, गाइस, these are real terms used by people who are professionally and educationally qualified to use them. Using them randomly for someone is not cool, it's not okay. It's just like saying कि I'm sad slash मैं बहुत डिप्रेस हो रही हूँ. No, depression is a real thing. It's a real issue wherein there's actual imbalances. Okay, you just can't throw those words around. Narcissistic personality disorder is a real thing. Okay, when it comes to controlling behavior, then OCD is a thing. So you have to use right words. हम लोग ऐसे कुछ भी randomly use कर लेते हैं ना, just because we've heard either like some therapists talk about it online or our own therapist talking about it to us. So we can't use those words just like that. और बहुत से लोग वो कर रहे हैं. And to each their own. I'm just giving you guys again my 2 cents. You don't need to agree with me. You really, really don't. I'm just having a chat with my friends. Okay, I'm having a chat. And again, if you don't agree with me, you can just talk to me, because that's what friends do. ठीक है? If you have a friend and you tell her कि बॉम्बे के गोलगप्पे बेटर है एंड दे गो लाइक नहीं दिल्ली के गोलगप्पे बेटर है, वुड यू जस्ट स्टॉप बीइंग फ्रेंड्स विद देम? नो, यू बी लाइक ठीक है यार, तू दिल्ली के खा, मैं बॉम्बे खाऊंगी. विच बाय द वे, honestly, after eating golgappas from like pani puri from Kolkata, I have to say that maybe Kolkata is slightly better, slightly, even though I've been like a Delhi golgappa girl all my life. I feel like Kolkata just slightly I'm gonna give them to that, because they have such a good variety of golgappa. I had churmur, I don't even know, मैंने I think 8-9 टाइप के पानी पूरी खा लिए, and by the end of it I was like, wow, I need that in Delhi. I really do. And I know I can get that in CR Park. I know. But CR Park is far from my home, okay? It is far from my home. And as someone who does not eat non-vegetarian, I also know CR Park is famous for that. And मैं इतना दूर सिर्फ, मतलब मैं वैसे तो जा सकती हूँ. My brush broke, okay? ब्रश भी कह रहा है कि बहन तुम इतना दूर जा सकती हो गोलगप्पे के लिए, झूठ मत बोलो. सो या आई कैन एक्चुअली गो, सो मे बी आई विल. इफ यू नो गुड pani puri places in CR Park or anywhere in Delhi where I can get like those Kolkata style pani puris, let me know down below, because I need to know. Okay, I need to know. So as I was saying, just because you guys don't agree on kahan ki golgappe better hai, you don't break off friendships, right? So then why would you cut off people if they don't agree with your life choices? मेक इट मेक सेंस. एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब डिफरेंस बहुत बड़ा हो और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों पे हो विच आर लाइक नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स, अग्रीड. बट हर छोटी बात पे यू कांट बी लाइक, ओ यू डोंट अग्री विद मी, आई एम गोना टॉक टू यू. ऐसे नहीं चलती है लाइफ गाइस, ऐसे नहीं चलती है, ऐसे मोहब्बतें नहीं होती हैं. सो as I was saying, I'm gonna tell you more about myself. हाँ, मैं ये कह रही थी. I hate when people are like, oh my god, she keeps on talking about herself. She's so narcissistic. Guys, I'm talking to a camera. I'm not talking to someone that we can have a conversation back and forth, like a genuine real-time conversation. Like I am having a conversation with you, but it's not real time, right? Until unless it's a live, it's not real time. So you can comment below and then I can reply to those comments or read those comments and reply in a video later on. And that can be a conversation. पर अभी इस वक्त तो मैं कैमरा से बात कर रही हूँ ना, तो मैं अपने बारे में ही करूंगी ना, और किसके बारे में करूंगी और आई विल हैव टू टेल यू समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ. अदरवाइज मैं सिर्फ यही बोलती, सो आई एम नॉट गोना टेक माई ब्रॉन्जर, आई एम डिपिंग माई ब्रश इन देयर एंड आई एम गोना अप्लाई इट, और मेरा ब्रश बार बार टूटे जा रहा है. वाओ. ओके, so either I can just give you like tutorials which is great, love it so much, और अगर मैं get ready with me कर रही हूँ chit chat type, I will talk about something that's related to me. That does not make me narcissistic, that does not make me self-obsessed, it just makes me a human being. If you're meeting someone after a long time, think about this, you're meeting your friend after say maybe a year or so, वो बाहर settled हुई हुई है, उसको time नहीं मिला बात करने का, and you guys are also like not talking to each other. Then you meet after a couple of years, and you ask, और बता कैसी है? What will she tell you? Will she tell you कि उसके मौसी के चाचा के बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं? No, she will tell you वो क्या कर रही है, वो कैसी है, उसके क्या dreams हैं. That's exactly what we guys do as well. It's just the difference is that we are not having a real time one-on-one conversation with you. That is literally just the difference. You won't call her narcissistic for telling you what she's been doing for the past couple of years when she wasn't in touch with you, right? So yeah, I feel like आजकल बहुत से लोगों से इशू हैं, बहुत से लोगों से. एंड अगेन इट्स फाइन यार, इट्स फाइन इफ यू डोंट लाइक मी. I really don't have any problem with that. You can't like everyone on the internet. Sometimes I also don't like me. So that is okay. I don't have issues with that. I have issues when you feel like it's okay to publicly say certain things which aren't true because you feel कि हो सकता है. This is a lot of times I feel like, well, I see people And they come to my DMs also and they're like, you know what? I really thought, and this has happened to me in person as well, by the way. I'll tell you in person wala stories only, because if I say internet pe, there are gonna be people who are gonna just assume I'm talking about them, and I'm not. I'm really not. So this has happened to me so many times, and people come up to me and they're like, you know what? I thought you would be very, like, you would have a lot of attitude. I just thought you're gonna be a very mean and rude person by looking at your photos. But you're so sweet in person. और उन moments में I literally feel like मैं क्या बोलूँ इस बात पे, like what am I supposed to say to that? I'm not gonna say I'm the sweetest person on earth, because that would be narcissistic in today's terms, but I am generally a good person, like a good person, okay person. I'm not going to be rude and mean to you for absolutely no reason. That does not happen. फॉर मी टू बी रूड, मुझे एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा हिम्मत चाहिए और बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा काम कोई कर दे कि भाई अब तो रूड होने के सिवाय कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, तब मे बी या, बट until unless that happens, I'm generally a very okay person, I feel. So obviously if you're gonna come up to me and say hi, I watch your videos, I love it and so that, I'm not gonna be like, so क्या करूँ मैं? I'm obviously not gonna do that. I'm gonna be like, hi, thank you so much. And you know how I generally react, because this happened to me today at my workout center. I met someone and she just told me that, you know, I've been following for so long and it's so nice to meet you. And I was like, thank you so much. It means so much to me. You're so sweet, because that's how I genuinely feel, okay? I'm not gonna go like, तो मैं क्या करूँ अगर 6 साल से फॉलो कर रही हो, सभी करते हैं. that's that. You, I hope you realize that that's not how people are also generally, and if there's someone who is like that, then I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, because honestly mankind and humanity and humankind, I should say, not mankind, has stopped surprising me. There are certain things जो मुझे नहीं लगा था कि लोग कर सकते हैं, बट लोग करते हैं. तो वी आर नॉट गोना से कि आई डोंट थिंक पीपल आर लाइक दैट, बट आई एम श्योर देयर वुड बी पीपल लाइक दैट. बट long story short, I am not like that. I'm really not like that. And to assume someone is arrogant after looking at their photos is a stretch. It is a stretch. Kyuki I would have understood having that assumption if I was like a daily vlogger or a lifestyle vlogger. I would have understood कि भाई okay, you see me in my element, even though, you know, daily vloggers ka full life you guys don't know. You don't know what they do when the camera is off or what they've edited out, so you don't really know anyone ऐसे online. But just to assume that by looking at someone's photos, it's a little stretch. And by daily vloggers ka to dekho scene hi alag hai. I've been featured in a couple of vlogs by a couple of people, and see, I'll tell you what. I'm not gonna say I'm very sassy. I'm not gonna say that. Because again, narcissistic. And we're not narcissistic on this channel. But the thing is that I can get sarcastic. Sarcastic. That sounded like sarcastic. I can get sarcastic very quickly. बहुत jaldi. And a lot of people who are close to me, like who know me personally in my real life, have known me for a while, they know that I'm just being sarcastic. I'm just being that person. And obviously, if you're watching me talk like that for the first time, you're going to be like, that person is just. So I don't expect everyone to get it, but. So, okay. I feel like I want to do this whole video where I'll talk about like the influencer culture right now. I just don't want to come across as preachy and mean, because I just want to share my opinion. So let me know if that is something you guys would be interested in or not, because there's just so much. इतना कुछ कहना है ना मुझे कि ऐसा लगता है जैसे भरे पड़ा हो ना इंसान कि मैं कैसे कहूँ, किससे कहूँ, कैसे कहूँ. Because sometimes you have to be politically correct, diplomatic and all of that. Otherwise people are going to be like, salty, she's salty. I'm not. You think I can't daily vlog? I have two vlogging cameras that I bought. One जो मैंने थोड़ा still use किया था back in 2016 when I was still like trying to do like travel vlogs and all of that. दूसरा जो मैंने इतना use भी नहीं किया, अभी recently I bought for shits and giggles. It's a vlogging camera, but I bought it for like reels, and then I don't shoot reels with it. I shoot reels with this camera only. I thought I'll do fashion. Realized that I suck at it. So according to a lot of people, also suck at makeup, and that's completely fine. That's opinion, and opinions are welcome. Sabka. But You think I can't daily vlog? I can. I choose not to. I really choose not to, because it is taxing. It is taxing, क्योंकि ट्रस्ट मी किसी की भी लाइफ हर दिन एक्साइटिंग नहीं हो सकती. आई हैव सीन डेली व्लॉगर्स अप क्लोज एंड पर्सनल. आई हैव सीन देम मेकिंग plans to vlog. So it's like, okay, so we're gonna go out, we're gonna celebrate something because I need to vlog, even if that celebration is fake or anything. Okay, so if, the thing is that whenever I've been featured in other people's vlogs, it's always been like, for me that is a genuine outing because it's not work for me. For them it is work, so they are putting up a front that they know is best for their audience, while I am the dumb bitch thinking, oh, it's a normal outing and everything, so I am just being like how I am when I am with friends and family. So that has really hampered my image a lot. And would I change that going back? Absolutely not, because it did give me a lot of akal that not everyone is going to have the best intentions for you in their mind, and not everyone is also going to understand you on the internet, and that's totally fine. That's totally fine. I'm fine, guys. No, I'm not. So basically saying that I'm very sarcastic, I can get a little witty and I answer back a lot of times. Like I'll just like, not talk back, but I'll like answer back. If you say something, I'll be like, really. Well, I'm not really, but I'm not getting the right example right now कि जहाँ मैं explain कर पाऊँ कि like if you're gonna say something, not stupid per se, but if you're gonna say something, how you just talk to your friends ना यार, कि उनकी थोड़ी बहुत बेइज्जती वेस्ती भी करते रहते हो, roast, whatever you wanna call it, that. I'm just gonna let this dry down, and I've been talking nonstop for a bit, no? For a bit. I can do this all my life. All my life. I just realized that there have been times in recent history where I have asked fellow content creators and influencers who vlog their lives to edit me out completely if I was anywhere in their vlog. Because in my brain, even if I'm hanging out with them, I am in my true element. I am talking whatever, and I don't have the power of editing their vlogs, right? So, of course, there can be times when you're talking to your friends where you say stuff that you don't mean, you say stupid things and everything. And the best thing about our career is that we can edit, but if it's in someone else's hand, they don't know if you don't want certain information to be out or not. Isliye, of late, either I tell people that I don't want to be in daily vlogs, or if I am there, it's always like, hi, how are you? So glad to meet, ye wo vagera. And if there's any other conversation that happens when the camera is just like propped up and I'm unaware, because that has happened and it annoys the shit out of me, okay? It annoys the shit out of me, and that's what I was saying. I need to talk about like influencer community and all of that. Like, I get it if you all agree beforehand, okay, I'm gonna be vlogging, and then you just prop up your camera in one corner and it just keeps on recording whatever you're doing, and that happens, it's different, okay? But it's like, if I don't know that you're going to be keeping your camera on for like the 40-minute conversation that we're going to have, no, no, don't do that. So yeah, so I've asked people ki, I think I was having like a nice friendly conversation, would you just mind not putting it up? Or if you are going to be putting it up, do you mind just muting it out? Because I really don't feel like, like I don't want, you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. And I'm not trying to sound like a bitch. It's just that I really, really, really like my privacy. That is just it. That is just it. I like my privacy. I like, and again, it's not like, oh, then why are you on YouTube? Listen, I started YouTube as a kid. I started YouTube 14 years ago. I recently came across my channel ka birthday and it was 14 years ago. I am not even 30. So literally half of my life was on YouTube, और उससे पहले का half I was a literal kid. A literal kid. So we can't count that. So I was on YouTube and YouTube wasn't even a real thing. So I had no clue कि ये सब कुछ होने वाला है. I was a kid who was lonely, who didn't have a lot of friends, who was bullied a lot, so I thought I could find people here and connect with them. That's why I started YouTube. That was literally the reason why I started YouTube. There was no money in YouTube back then, yeah. There was literally no money in YouTube. So it wasn't like, oh, I'm sharing my life for money, because, again, not to sound like a beach or a salty one at it, there are a lot of people who start social media today for money, and there's nothing wrong with it. I'm not saying there's something wrong with it. I'm not saying that. But this wasn't a career that I chose as a career. It happened that way in a very organic way. It happened that way. It wasn't a chosen career for me per se. Anyway, that's not the point. The point is, I daily vloggers. No, the point is not daily vloggers. I feel like that can be a whole different video in itself. That I listen. I'm just gonna say this. I do not agree. Okay, I personally, in my opinion, I do not agree with daily vloggers for a lot of different reasons. First of all, other people who are not on social media or who have private accounts, they've not signed up to be on public platforms, and सबकी families में friend circle में ऐसे लोग हैं, and to force them to come on your vlogs or to be like थोड़ा सा एक vlog के लिए bite दे दो is not cool. It's just not cool. It's really not cool. I've seen people do that. It's not cool at all. So that is something I don't agree with. But the thing that I've been like going down this rabbit hole, I've been watching a lot of videos on it, and this is like a whole discourse where it's like it's so unsafe for the people around you, because you really do not know who's watching you. And it's sad, it honestly is, but यही life है अभी. And especially people who feature kids in their videos. No, it's honestly, it's such, I don't, that's what I'm speechless right now, क्योंकि मैं इतने लोगों की videos देख रही हूँ. I was watching Kiki channel, I was watching Film Cooper, and so many different people, and they talk about it. And even though मैं पहले भी नहीं करती थी, I have a lot of nieces and nephews, a lot of them, I wasn't doing it तब भी. But after knowing that, it's not just कि it's their safety in the sense of कि भाई people can find out who they are, or if someone who knows them follows me, they will know them and all of that. That's one thing. But there's just so much with like AI, deep fakes, and just everything. It's a very, very scary world, yeah, out there. It's a very scary world. I know it's a shitty thing, but it's just the reality we are living in. और जब लोग बच्चों को अपने channels पे ऐसे दिखाते हैं, and there are men, bloody men, in the comment sections, and I'm sure like there are other genders as well. I don't know why I specified that gender out, but yeah, there are people in the comment section who'll be like, "Oh my god, your baby is so hot," and I'm like, dude, that's a kid. That's a little kid. Like I don't know if you know about her channel or not. Riva, the one who was in Uri, the daughter of the soldier who was martyred. So Riva, she's still a kid, and I don't know if the allegations on her mom are real or not कि उन्होंने enhancements वगैरह करवाई हैं कि वो बड़ी लगे, because all kids go through this weird puberty phase, and she was a star kid. But then when you have that weird puberty phase, you don't get work because weird puberty phase, so they wanted her to look older quicker so that they can get work. Apparently that's something that happened with Hansika Motwani as well, because going from Shakalaka Boom Boom to and कोई मिल गया directly to the South Indian industry and being casted up again like opposite to these really mid-aged men. Horror, especially when you get to know stuff like what's happening in the Malayali industry right now with their movement, where children again are included. So yeah, I don't agree with daily vloggers and family vloggers overall. Like, just my opinion, you don't have to agree with me. You might like to watch someone else's life. I personally don't. I personally do not watch daily vlogs. I do not watch daily vloggers, family vloggers. I do not enjoy that at all. I really don't. And I know there are people who out there who do enjoy that, and there are a lot of people who ask me also to daily vlog. And the only reason I can't do it, and I won't probably do it, of course, 10 years down the line, 10 months down the line, or 10 days down the line, मेरी सोच बदल सकती है. Everyone is allowed to change. Everyone is allowed to have newer opinions. But this is me right now after making like calculated decisions in life. The only reason why I won't do it personally is because मेरी लाइफ फैंसी नहीं है और ना मैं उसको फैंसी बनाने की कोशिश कर सकती हूँ. मैं हर दिन खर्चे नहीं कर सकती बाहर जाने के टू व्लॉग. Like, I get it, you can make money from vlogging, that happens, yeah. You can get integrations and all of that in your vlogs, yeah. But नहीं यार, मैं हर दिन बाहर नहीं जा सकती ना. मैं हर दिन को कुछ इतना एक्साइटिंग बना सकती हूँ. देयर आर सो मेनी डेज व्हेयर आई एम लाइक, yeah, I'm just gonna be in bed. Like, don't even disturb me. Don't even talk to me. I'm just going to be in bed and chill out and maybe edit and all of that. I don't know where my eye makeup is going to go with this because my eye was a little tacky and now the color is like sticking to it and my hair is going haywire as well. मैंने इतने अच्छे से स्लीक हेयर स्टाइल बनाया था, ये क्या हो गया और ये कब से हुआ है? आई डोंट नो. मैंने बहुत स्लीक हेयर स्टाइल बनाया था गाइस, बट apparently not. I hated when this happens. I hate जब मेरे बाल ऐसे हो जाते हैं. Oh my god, what is this? What? What? I'm just not going to. Wait, nahin. I am going to focus on it and I am going to fix it as well. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't want to vlog क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ बहुत दिन फैंसी नहीं होती है. बेटर अभी भी है ना, छोड़ो, जैसा भी, अब जो भी है. आई डोंट नो वेयर दिस आई लुक इज़ गोइंग टू गो क्योंकि मेरी आईज थोड़ी सी टैकी थी और मैंने उसको पाउडर डाउन नहीं किया पहले और अब वो आई शेडो वहाँ चिपक गया है. यू वुड थिंक आफ्टर 14 years I would know how to do makeup, but there are days when I don't and it's okay. It is okay. हाँ. So as I was saying, the only reason is that मेरी life interesting नहीं है. I love my privacy. I love my peace of mind. I love to just lounge around the house without giving two shits about, how is this vlog going to get interesting for people to see. Like, how can I make people want to see कि मैं दिन भर क्या कर रही हूँ. बहुत सोचना पड़ता है guys. Honestly, it's a very very hard job. People who do it, I don't know how you do it, and I might not, what? I might not agree with what you do, but it is hard work. I'm not going to deny that. It is literally so hard to think day in, day out कि आज vlog में ऐसा क्या डालें कि लोगों को कल से डिफरेंट लगे. क्योंकि किसी की भी लाइफ नहीं होती यार, तो ये लोग मोमेंट्स बनाते हैं इन उपमन्यु स्टाइल, अभिषेक उपमन्यु स्टाइल. मोमेंट बनाओ यार. यही बातें तो बाद में याद आएंगी और यही बातें तो हमेशा के लिए यूट्यूब पे रह जाएंगी. सो दैट इज लिटरली व्हाट डेली व्लॉगर्स आर डूइंग एंड या इट्स हार्ड वर्क. इट रियली इज. मैं कभी कभार कुछ लोगों की वो देखती हूँ ना, आई एम लाइक भाई झूठ कम बोलो यार, बिकॉज अगेन I've been seeing this industry. Yeah, there are some things that you just know. और बहुत बार होता है कि wow, nice story, nice story, nice story. Like you almost got me there कि naturally तुम हर दिन इतना कर रहे हो चीज़ें. Nice story. ऐसा नहीं होता है. झूठ मत बोलो, झूठ मत बोलो. ठीक है, तो what should I do यार? What should I do with this eye look? वैसे तो ये मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल नहीं है, so even if it's like a basic eye, I really don't care because I just wanted to like sit down and chill with you guys for a bit. But मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कुछ करने का मन है, मन है अंदर से. So yeah, as I was saying कि I'm not gonna be vlogging sadly. I know a lot of people like to watch those and a lot of people ask me to do those, and as I want to be as polite as I can, I don't want to do it. That is just how it is. I really just don't want to do it. I don't want to put that kind of pressure on my brain. Already नन्ही सी जान पे और कितना pressure डालूंगी. So I don't want to put that kind of pressure on my brain of how to make my very very mundane basic ass life interesting. तभी मैं पहले सिर्फ अगर व्लॉग करती भी थी तो ट्रैवल करते हुए करती थी. ट्रैवल करते हुए तो सबकी लाइफ इंटरेस्टिंग हो जाती है ना. यू आर डूइंग सो मेनी न्यू थिंग्स एवरी डे. अब तो मैं उतने ट्रैवल व्लॉग्स भी नहीं बनाती बिकॉज इवन व्हेन आई एम ट्रैवलिंग आई हैव बिकम सो लाइक मुझे एक्चुअली तो एन्जॉय करने दो यार जगह. क्योंकि अगेन आई हैव व्लॉग नो वाइल ट्रैवलिंग, सो आई नो कि after one point it's like, but when do you really just switch off and genuinely enjoy a place? When do you do that? When? And the answer is when you want to, when you can, when you feel like you don't want to just have everything on camera. That is when you do it. This can be a very bad decision that I'm about to do, and I feel like it is. गलत आई शेडो की चॉइस, गलत आई शेडो की चॉइस. Let me go in with a bronzy color and maybe salvage this look. Some days you just have to accept that your makeup is going to look like shit and it's okay. That is just life. It is just makeup. It's not serious, guys. धुल जाता है मुंह. अगर किसी दिन मेकअप अच्छा नहीं हुआ या आपको किसी का मेकअप अच्छा नहीं लगता, it's okay. मुंह धुल जाता है. It's not permanent. I hope so. Like people who get permanent makeup, you're crazy. You're crazy, okay? You're crazy. I mean, of course आपकी choice है, but you're crazy. क्योंकि मेकअप ट्रेंड्स इतनी चेंज होती रहती है, इतनी चेंज होती रहती है. एंड आई नो पीपल गॉट ऑन आई लाइनर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड देन देयर वाज अ फेज वेयर आई लाइनर्स weren't a thing. और अभी तो लोग आई शैडोज को नॉट अ थिंग करना चाह रहे हैं. एंड आई एम लाइक, यू नो, maybe on my deathbed, maybe because I love eyeshadows. I love to play with eyeshadows. Yeah, if I'm going out every day, so I might not do eyeshadow like a cut crease or like a halo eye every day, but I love to sit down and play with it. I love to wear it on special occasions. On a daily basis तो मैं भी सिर्फ एक टिंट लगा के निकलती हूँ यार. So I love to play with eyeshadows when I can, and I feel like I haven't even blended these out properly na. My mirror also is set up at a very, very wrong angle, which I should have checked before sitting down. And again, you would feel like for someone who's been doing this for 17, not 17, 14 years, I would know how to set my station up for success, but apparently not. क्या कह रही थी मैं? कुछ तो कह रही थी ना, भूल ही गई मैं तो. हाँ, but they're like, eyeshadow is uncool, eyeshadow is for the old ladies, eyeshadow is out. No, it's not. No, it's a choice. Makeup is a choice. I feel like लोग जो कहते हैं, oh my god, why are you doing makeup like it's 2016? Because in my brain it is. मुझे वही पसंद है, मुझे ऐसी पहनना पसंद है. And I know that I'm a makeup content creator and it is fine. It is fine. I'm not even doing tutorials on YouTube right now. Now, which, oh हाँ, मैं ये बात तो करनी रह गई. Tutorials. So I get it. A lot of you want to see tutorials. You guys like to see tutorials and all of that. But tutorials just मेरे को बाल irritate कर रहे हैं. Tutorials just don't get the kind of reach they used to get. It's just as simple as that. I know. So even the girl that I met today at my workout place, she was like, you know, I love your long form content. Like, I really don't like transitions and all. And I was like, same. Same girl, same. करना पड़ता है लेकिन. Like, I'm personally not a very big fan of transitions because I feel like it's, what am I getting? And again, it's my opinion, guys. Whenever I'm seeing a content, it should serve me some purpose. Some purpose. And for me, educational purpose has been number one. Like, I always like to educate in some or the other way, be it reviews, be it tutorials, be it skincare routines. I love to have that educational side to it. So, transitions feel very empty, shallow, and hollow to me. वो मेरा thought process है. आई नो सब लोगों, कुछ लोगों को, बहुत लोगों को एक्चुअली पसंद आते हैं बिकॉज इट्स लाइक इट्स फन. यू नॉट एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी सीरियस. इट कैन जस्ट बी सम फन थिंग्स. आई एम सेइंग पर्सनली मुझे उतने पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है. बट that's what works, and at the end of the day this is my work and so many of you enjoy it. तो मुझे लगता है if you guys are enjoying it तब तो मेरे को तो करना चाहिए ना, if you guys are enjoying it. Because again, if even if it's not my work, even before it was my work, मैं हमेशा पूछती थी ना, guys, what do you want to see? Let me know. So if you guys want to see more transitions, then obviously I will do more transitions. Now, of course, if you guys are like, do more tutorials, I'll be like, okay, let me think, how can I make tutorials a little different? Because कितना ही और कुछ है, you know, there are so many things that I feel like I have done tutorials on. I really have. So I feel like things haven't changed from that perspective. You can always rename shit to some cooler, newer thing. Like clean girl aesthetic can be, minimal makeup can be clean girl aesthetic and all of that. But basics तो वो ही है ना. Mob wife, mob. The names that Gen Z people are coming up with, I'm like, भाई इतना कैसे सोच रहे हो? तो जैसे again, I know I'm gonna sound like one of those aunties like हमारे टाइम में चीजें ऐसे होती थी, but we used to name stuff what it was. Minimal makeup look, no makeup look. ये clean girl aesthetic, rich girl aesthetic, crying girl aesthetic, toxic. ये दो शब्द सबके लिए ना राशन में मिलने चाहिए. Like you can only use aesthetic twice in a day. Vibe only 3 times in a day. Toxic 1 time in a day. क्योंकि people are abusing these words left, right, and center, which is, it's so taxing, it's so tiring, it's so exhausting to be in such environment. The vatavaran, it's just not vatavaraning. So I sound ridiculous. I know I sound ridiculous. But so with tutorials, I feel like कितना ही है मेरे पास, क्या ही और देने को. आई फील लाइक आई बी वेरी रेपिटेटिव कि तो मैं पहले कर चुकी हूँ, क्या करने की नीड है. बट देन अगेन, इफ देर आर सर्टन ट्यूटोरियल्स दैट यू वांट टू सी फ्रॉम मी, और इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू थ्रो आइडियाज एट मी कि श्रेया ये वापस से कर ले जो तूने किया था, feel free. Comment section is all yours. I would love to know. I would genuinely love to know. I'm not even kidding. I would genuinely love to know. मैं मस्कारा और लैशेस ना ऑफ कैमरा कर लूँगी झटपट से. अभी मैं पहले लिपस्टिक कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि मस्कारा हो नहीं रहा है लोअर लैशेस का, as you can clearly see, and I don't want to take more risks than what I have already taken in this video. So I'll just do my lipstick quickly, which is a beautiful shade. This is Debut from K by Katrina, from their matte wala rip range, from their lip range. This is not the cream lipstick but the normal lipstick. So I'm just going to apply this all over my lips to get a nice flush of color. But I feel ये थोड़ा सा clash कर रहा है ना eyes से. थोड़ा सा switch up करना पड़ेगा. I'll just quickly finish off my makeup because mostly the हो ही गया है, and I don't think you even want to hear to me more than what you've already heard. So I'm just gonna quickly rescue this face जितना भी हो सकता है, and I'll be back. Alrighty, I'm done with my makeup and it doesn't look half as bad as it did in my brain, and some days you just have to agree that it's not going to be a good makeup day, and today is one of them for me. So this is more than enough. I'm just gonna say that. I'm just gonna say that. Also, I think it's almost like an hour or near or so to an hour that you've been listening to me yap away. So I'm gonna just cut this now because I don't think you need more of me for your day. But do let me know what's happening in your life, what's new, what's cooking, what are the plans for future. Let me know everything down in the comments. I'm gonna be looking forward to your comments and just talking to you guys because I love to do that. But that's gonna be it from my side. I hope you guys again enjoyed this, and if you didn't, don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, let me know if you'd like me to do more chit chat get ready with me or any of the videos that I talked about in this video down in the comments again. I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye. That mwah was very fake. So, mwah. Bye. Bye. Now the bye was weird. Let's do this one more time. I love you all so much. Take care. Mwah. Bye.